So this is my spreadsheet that I'll be using to illustrate how to best use the sheets on our smartphone. So all these are the documents I already have opened. Alright, so I can quickly click on the plus icon and it opens up a new interface for me, and I have the options choose template and new spreadsheets. Remember, we saw how we could use templates to quickly design our spreadsheet layout, but since I'm not connected, I can't actually use any templates. So quickly clicking the plus button, I'll select new spreadsheet. So once new spreadsheet opens, you notice that it is similar with what you have on your computer. So have columns A to D visible. Alright, so when you slide to your right, you see more columns and all that. Okay, so when you can also scroll up and down to see more rows and all that. So at the bottom also, you notice that you have your sheet. You can rename it just like you do on your PC. Okay, that's supposed to be budgets. So I'll just add it. Alright. So you can have several worksheets also. Is that right? Okay. So that gives you that. You can switch between any of the opened worksheet. So the one that is open, you notice that the arrow is pointing down, and that is that about the tabs at the bottom of your device screen. So at the top of our device screen, you notice that there is a 3 dots at the top right corner. So on clicking it, I notice that a menu comes up. So with this menu comes a lot of options. Okay, you have find and replace, you have explore, data validation, name, ranges, and all that. So supposing I want to enter content into cell A1. Alright, I select A1. So you notice at the bottom I have a formula or enter text or formula. So I can actually enter a text here now. So I now have weekly budget. Weekly budget. So it can be weekly reports. But let us just work with something that we can identify with. So you now hit your guide to make it align. Alright, so from here also you can make it bold. Alright, you can change the color of your text to suit your need. Okay, but I think black is okay now, except maybe you just want to play around with the other colors and you see other options. Okay, so black, let's go with black. Then you can align the text, either centralize, left aligned or right aligned. You can actually the background of the cell, you can actually give it a particular background feel. Okay, so I think we should stick with gray. Alright, maybe light gray. And you can either add more cells below, okay, or more columns by your right or left. So see how we'll use all those as time goes on. So weekly budget. So I'm just going to drag this. Okay, notice that as I've dragged, another new option comes for me to merge this. So I'm just going to merge it like that. I'm going to center the content. So I now have item. So I'm just going to type in item. Okay, then I will now have maybe amount spent. So notice how I'm able to add all this. So I can now say transportation. Okay, so amount spent on transportation, assuming it is 500. So amount spent on food. Alright, amount spent on food. So food. So amount spent on food, assuming it is I think food takes up majority of money. I don't know. We just model. So then amount spent on healthcare. Maybe you just bought a little drug. Maybe how much we see now? Maybe 100. So amount spent on maybe recreation. Maybe you have 1,000 naira. Okay, then amount spent on maybe gifts. I don't know, maybe you would like to give someone a birthday present or something. So you just say another 1,000 naira. Okay, so you can have miscellaneous or others. So you have others that are not accounted for. So you can have others as 1,500. Okay, so this is a simple table we just created quickly. Alright, now we can now go ahead to maybe just design this table to suit our taste. So as it is, we can just design the table, fill it up, just make it, just play around with it, okay. At least it's looking like something now. Just very easy. Okay, maybe you should have a blue, but it should be lighter probably. Then this one should have that same feel, but it should be lighter. Which one do I select then? But it should be lighter. Okay, so I should have my total here. So total, I have ABC, so I have total. Okay, so I now have I can now select all this. Okay, now as I'm selecting it at the bottom, you notice that your smartphone is smart enough to tell you that, okay, supposing you want to find the sum, that is the sum. Supposing you want to find the average is 1,266.7. The maximum is 3,005, and the minimum is that. The count is that. So, alright, so you can actually hit any of this, and it does that immediately under that for you. So, alright, so you notice that the total is not actually where I want it to be. So I'm just quickly going to delete that. Okay, so I'm going to delete this immediately and take it to the right position. Alright, so before now you will have known that for every calculation you must precede it with an equal sign. So I have my equal sign, equal to, okay, equal to, so I have sum, so I will select my range of values. Alright, so So I select my range of values and hit the tick sign, and it does the calculation for me. So also you can find the mode, the highest number, or the minimum number. So from the values you have there, from the data you have here, you can actually plot a graph. Right, so you can actually plot a graph. So weekly budget, we have the table header item and we have the table header amount spent. So I'm just going to select the item and the amount spent. So to insert our graph, just like you do with your PC, but for your smartphone, I will hit the plus button. So the plus button will open a mini menu. So I'll click on chart. So it automatically adds the chart for us. So from the chart, we can see at the x-axis the item, and at the y-axis we have the amount spent for each item. So for the chart, we have type, so you can decide whether to use a pie chart and other types of charts that are made available. So it's very flexible to some extent. Alright, so you just play around with it. So but we'll just stick with our bar chart for now. So you can also change the legend to either be right, left, top, bottom, all that. Okay, so by default it's at the right. So title, so you can add the title to the chart. So this is our weekly budget. So notwithstanding, the things you can actually do with your smartphone is limited to some extent. Okay, so it's limited. So you can't compare the features your smartphone has to offer with that of your PC. Alright, so probably there will be some other apps that will offer more flexibility compared to this particular one. So if there's any, you can let us know, so that we will recommend to others as well. So this is that about Excel using your smartphone. Thank you very much.